First time after.
After
Yeah.
First time after that.
After like issues.
And I'm just saying, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. What's the last time we be that no?
Oh, Kumasi the end I think 2016.
Wow.
17. See, I check.
Wow, check.
Roughly like 8 years. Okay, G, all the children in Kumasi, you know what they do. Guess what? It is me, Opete One, aka Toshiba.
Gosh.
Funny faces in the building. This is the summer school. SGMO.
Gosh.
Myself and Kwaku Menu. Learn how to drive everything, motor ride. You know what I'm saying? They are basically going to have fun.
Yes.
So bring your children. This song, there's no sense.
That's the way LM Bella Bella.
Your friend Paulino, Obi at UK, Canada, US, or Germany, or Ireland, or Netherlands, or Italy, or Spain. That's all fun the phone say. When you sue Lemfi or phone, so I don't know where you are. I'm sure they tell where you are. Lemfi now they send this guy, enter her a 0. I rate to be a best and be a Lemfi enter her. Now, any just a woman say, and now hear me video. Say, your first time now download the Lemfi, a good smartphone. So, Lemfi, a better 5% cashback. Unim, so you use Paulino promo code. That is POLEENO. Lemfi, so no rate no, and switch all the other apps. Into my catch or so you see Lemfi, they are delete all the other apps. Send the become mobile money. And that's what me send a bank account. So wherever you find yourself, be a make sure it's a Paulino. So what countries are Mabu Bosso now? Download the Lemfi, now a use to never send this car. A bebo ye, said the Misso Abuamino. Download the Lemfi or App Store and I say
Caption. And it's a caption can see about.
Oh, there's some Kaza on your caption.
Now on Gaza. Obekaza, on Gaza.
No, you can't about.
So and there's a caption.
SGMO Colani project.
And on America say, Nina caption. Caption. Other caption from you.
Whoa, that we caption you know. So we are focusing on the Colani with some.
Matisse so them Korano will show one more a basu gidi. No one Jumana. Yeah, baby, yes, see. Mr. K. There is a Nina can endorsement no.
Now, I don't want to come up.
Nina can endorsement no. Yonko na Yonko. Me Matisse wa ba Kumasi. Who say dey na me buza say wa ba na.
Mama.
Ntiro.
That Saturday na me marry.
Na onya marry. Oh, okay. Yonko na ye nchine. Ye nchine ana. Ye nchine. Caption man.
Papa J.
Caption. Kai wa say. Charlie, king of president, no.
Kobi.
Oh, Mamma, yeah, Kona and China. Yeah, Kona and China. Now, anyway, Kogu,
yes, sir. We also put in our posting this year.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'm home, but I just said. But me also near you. Oh, yeah. What, Paulino posting, but me, maybe. Okay. Oh, my programs where first time in so many years.
Never first. Okay, in so many years, but for first time. Some
never saw there.
Program.
I know, but first time in so many years. I won't say oh year after that. First time after that.
After like issues.
And I'm just saying, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. It's be traveling me who banana. You say banana bottoms. Funny face Kwaku Menu program or Kumasi official blogger in Kumasi.
I don't say.
Me who banana. But one case I won't carry in gem. What's the last time I catch say me share event to be our best year for time or call. Yeah, or call offer one and 1 year about Koran. And I was looking forward for BB to say. Now BB say about
my other academy here, but
okay, yeah, but in Kumasi.
Yes.
Wow. Kumasi the last time we be no.
Oh, Kumasi the end I think 2016.
Wow.
17. See, I check. Roughly like 8 years.
8 years. And we have missed them. What film Corano?
Of course.
Wow. Into when the same you record the same.
Oh, of course. Basically, we know when it's about kids there. It's just a kids program, so
okay.
We are here to support.
It's kids, from him fan Kumasi from Kwa and our particular schools go to say where they are from.
Baby, so we're here to support, push it. What I say, push the agenda. It's more like it's a summer school. Okay. It's 4 artists. Calibus wom.
Yeah.
Killing so Kwaku wom. But I'm Kwaku be 3 days.
Oh, okay.
I think you best start Wednesday.
This
Wednesday.
Oh, okay.
Wednesday to Friday.
Only Kwaku Wednesday to Friday.
Friday, yeah. Now other so.
About
yeah.
I think so. Almost say
summer school. So.
Summer school from now to 29th.
Yeah, it's 5th to 29th.
Yeah. So there no put Kwaku there no event no the attractions near the end.
Oh, I don't know. Yeah, keeping as a surprise.
Oh, okay.
Some kind of no massive way.
Children's president.
Caption.
I don't expect before Friday.
Oh,
are you expecting any other caption?
Oh, BB.
Colana Antina. Yeah. It's a two suffering when you answer Mumbra, SG see, you are cry,
SG more. And that's starting.
And Ochina.
Eko see
25th into be Baby funny face or nature and as far as I was a boy.
Oh, mom.
Caption
Papa J.
So be call the kids or was all the Okasa and Quaranto Casa Chame. I was all children's president.
Okay, G, all the children in Kumasi, you know what it do. Guess what? It is Mayo Pete 1, aka Toshiba. Funny faces in the building. This is the summer school. SGMO, myself and Kwaku Menu, Calibus, and of course, Killing Tia. And then the games that we'll be doing here includes musical chairs, sports, which is exercise. And every sport is exercise. Color games, boat flipping,
bottle flipping.
I me huni kabot me spell here but your BOT boat but me hu titi na and bottle flipping
one time
with food,
okay,
which is very important, and word pronunciation. Fantastic. So we'll be here. I'll tell you to pronounce amphibian. You know what is amphibian?
What is amphibian?
You know what is amphibian? They live both on water and on land.
Science here,
that's amphibian.
Your science is working.
You learn cross-pollination. Cross-pollination.
Okay, I know you're doing
the transfer of flower from the stigma to the. Hey, children, come on, my brother.
That's all. Funny face.
Allah.
This Adebakwa. Me feeling so what I say. He knows what it is.
Of course.
He knows what it is. This time no baka wire.
No baka wire. We are going to have
baka wire. The man is back.
Yeah, of course.
He's back for the case.
To God be the glory.
Your person can continuously this year.
Oh yes,
and to us because my God say this time I'm crying in baby uncle.
Of course.
I know we want my men or their correct in a pub. What you say?
I answer more.
2 a.m.
Akolani club.
Na correct pub.
I answer more.
You chini mame. Na correct to. And so funny face program. Mame is funny face. Oh, there be montana fie. Funny face be event to me the mobile call. So what you say? Na get me abua. Nya visa. So we thank God that you are back for case na nkasa. You are back for good.
Yeah, a massive shout out to everybody that supported. You know what they do. Big ups.
Yeah,
we give God the glory. We're back again. You know what they do. Start saying.
Matisse has some chronic crowd around. You bet me alcohol. Bet me alcohol. Yeah, talk a cranny home. And cranny and home so yeah. Yo. Fans are not dead.
Already dead.
It is a me.
It is a me.
It's also a series for us about.
Oh yeah, of course. We are.
So it's a series for.
Yeah, they are in the pipeline.
Yeah.
It's a searching cry.
It is a you.
Papa J.
You talk a cranny and share.
Yes, sir.
Nana.
Nana.
Nana Akotin, and so I say. Hello. Nana Semeshia.
I'm white. Now I'm behaving me. Let me behave myself. Nana is here. I'm white. Nana, it's me changuanaba. As a serious.
That is the CEO. The founder of
Nana
Semeshia Godimo.
I'm white.
Yeah, tall. Many funny face. Yeah, tall. Yeah.
Oh, sir.
Opete
wa. Opete ma me film wa o.
O mbese musa asem, ami musa she. Ye musa she.
O musa kwame kaza. Caption is squad. We don't go. The caption. Allah. The caption. Hello, boss. The caption squad.
Caption squad.
When day.
Okay, so I'm crying about the go ahead and heavy.
Aye.
Okay, games. I'm crying about say. Opetewa.
Yeah, hello.
So, only crying about the go.
Good afternoon.
I'm crying now.
Yeah, what I say.
Oh, okay.
I'm having play game. You win now. What I say.
We know the two driving.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
They'll learn all these things, you know. They'll learn how to play game, learn how to drive. Everything, motor ride. You know what I'm saying? They are basically going to have fun.
Yes.
So bring your children. Come home.
Fantastic.
Yeah. Let me check your character. They can be gas, you know. Everything they want to do, they'll feel free and do. They will learn to. Oma go school now. Let them refresh their memory.
Yes.
What I say?
Summer school.
Summer school. At SG Mall. Yeah. Hello.
Oh.
Yes. Hello. How are you?
Okay.
Hello.
Horse riding.
Hi.
Funny face.
Wait now. What I say? You're very nice. Hello. How are you? Are you having fun? Yes, have fun. Tomorrow we'll have more fun, okay? Jump for me, okay?
Jump.
Wait now. Bye. Wait now, we sit on it, you know. This is the one that goes fun, eh?
So what were your friends saying?
Merry-go-round. Horse go round. Hello, mommy.
You're fine.
Okay, Marty. Hi, how are you?
Nice.
How are you? Nice.
You do top one.
Nice. Mommy, everyone come on. Nice.
Is it your top one?
Yeah, okay.
Summer school, I say preschool. So we're a game
Like games, like you're about to just want to have fun.
And you say school say we be
Hello.
ABC the need that line.
Hello. Hi. How are you? Oh, nice. Hello. Nice. Hi. So summer school no be possible.
Yes.
And then they starting. Nice.
I see school Anna.
Kindergarten.
Preschool. Oh, okay.
Hi, kindergarten. Hey,
Crete. You obi obabi out me never have.
Yes, from Christ to
Oh, okay.
Jesus.
grade 9.
Hey, okay. Get none here, Jesus. Jesus 3. Oh, okay. What kind of foreign curriculum? Oh, nice. You too.
Be careful.
Oh. Hey, I'm going for caption. Hey, I say, oh. Kofi, one manager. Your name now. Who's that for caption?
Something I'm crying about. Funny face.
Oh, hello.
Say hi to funny face.
How are you? Oh, nice. Are you learning well?
Yes.
Uncle is back. And it's going to be brutal, okay? Yeah. Uncle has been through a lot.
Oh.
But God has done it.
Oh.
Say hooray!
Hooray!
Say God is good.
God is good.
All the time.
All the time.
God is good.
God is good.
Hip.
Hooray!
Give me a kiss. And a blows. And agbaja. So I'm coming, okay?
Okay.
Cheers. Hope you are learning well.
Yes.
Learn well, oh.
Yes.
But when uncle come, uncle will dash money. You want to see money? Yeah. Let me shake you one by one. I hug you one by one. You shake and you hug. You shake and you do what? You shake. You shake. Tomorrow, you shake. You shake already. Tomorrow we do cow and chicken, okay? We do cow and chicken. Cow and chicken. Chicken. This song, there's no sense in it. Bye.
Yeah, bye.
Hello. Oh, but hello. Are you okay? Happy birthday. Hello, ma. Let's say. Papa Joe.
Oh boy. You're going to say.
Where are you going?
I have him.
Go back. I there for you. How we go? We back again. Caption.
Very important.
Caption, I'll come back.
Killer caption.
What's up? I there for you. Caption.
See any baby.
Hello.
So, 5th, I shall say from now to 29th of August.
25th.
29th.
29.
Yeah, from now to 29th.
Okay.
Yeah, you know.
29.
Manifest and then Corano.
Yeah.
I have a brutal. And so some remedy who are one. Children's president is
back. You know what they do. Mr. Kofi Kwati. I continue. Kofi. I continue.
Hannah, hey, so we view.
Somewhere away. Auntie, Ochina, Salis me one.
Okay,
yeah.
This will cause
a very disruptive way.
Okay,
yes,
okay.
Hello.
So,
you won't go inside? Oh, okay.
So I think that if you are her. Long, you may be her.
Okay.
You may be her auntie. Send the date to the what time now when you come in almost starting model.
Yes, starting Ochina.
Ochina until Ochina is 6. Okay.
So you sit to 9.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
But once you are here, you sit to 10. Like we just did.
All right.
So
all right. So it's funny face together with Kumawood,
you know what you do,
and the Calibos. Right there, summer school.
It's going down. Of course.
But to funny face, dancing competition.
Of course. And when they come, I'll teach them agric science. Yeah. I'll teach agric science.
Okay.
And maths.
Agric. What is mixed cropping?
Mixed cropping. Oh, it's a cropping. We will school 99.
All right, thank you for watching. Funny face.
Wallo, Papa J.
I said,
I'm going to summer school.
where are street kids?
Oh, okay, you understand. Yeah.
The street is calling.
It's calling.
Yeah. Me in trouble.
Simple.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Okay, welcome.
Oh, yeah. Because of our vacation. Yeah.
What?
No, prayer comes out. Who's up?
King of caption. That's the way Ellen Bella Bella.
See you catch your wing. Why is that? Wow.
Oh my alert.
Oh, and the camera guys.
Alert.
Alert.
Oh my because is here.
Ah, on by the three sumo na suit caption of.
Simple.
So many man and dia jamu ni. Ah. Oh, yeah, you but the one you poo. You poo. You poo.